You got a cheesy bum.
This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fun. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine popcorn chicken in 6 of the KFC dinner rolls with some cheesy sauce and barbecue sauce. Well, $10.95 you can shove that right in the corner. Ooh, a nice box. Taken small and they stuffed up the order, but the flavour's all there. Actually ordered sweet chili sauce as opposed to barbecue, but whatever. On the plus side, they gave me some free chips and a free raspberry freezing thing. Yay, guess I have to make that too. For $10.95 it's a bit of a stretch, but yeah, whatever. I'll nosh on it. 300 grams of cut chicken pieces, boil it with lime, onion salt, white vinegar, flour, onion salt, oregano, mustard, basil, paprika, thyme, white pepper, black pepper, ginger, soy sauce. Put the chicken, put the container on and give it a thorough shake. Shallow fry in a wok at about 185 degrees. About 50 grams of butter in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Combine, but don't let it burn. 300 ml of heavy whipping cream. Give it a thorough whisk. Add 50 grams of cheese. I'm using grated smoked cheese. Keep whisking until all the cheese is melted. Barbecue sauce, smoky barbecue sauce, white wine vinegar, tomato sauce. Cut your bread rolls in half, add the barbecue sauce. Chili sauce, serve with chips in your drink. Not bad for $4. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.